Hello friends, welcome to this live stream. So in this live stream I will basically talk about a FFmpeg command which is used to actually generate a video from raw text which is written inside a txt file. So let's suppose I have defined a txt file, guys, where I have written something here. If you notice here, we have file.txt, and basically I have written this test team of New Zealand. You will see that 7 players are present. So we will be scrolling from the bottom position to the top position. We will be animating this text in the video, and we will be generating a MP4 video. So now if I basically execute the FFmpeg command, so what will happen here, all this text which is written right here, it will be playing automatically from bottom position to top position. So now if I execute this FFmpeg command that I written, this is the actual command. I will explain you this command in this video stream, so step by step. So in the videos directory where my txt file is present, if I paste this command right here, so you will basically see a scrolling.mp4 file will be generated, and you will see that it has 10 seconds of video is there. You will see that. If I try to run this, you will see that. So you will see that the text will be traveling from the bottom position to the top position. So it is scrolling from the bottom to up, and it's 10 seconds. You can see the color of the text. You can all customize this. It is appearing in the yellow color. You can change the color of the text. You can also change the background color of the video as well. It is set to black. You can change to white as well, and all the things. You can also change the speed of the text. Let's suppose you want to customize the speed. You want the text to be coming in a slower way or faster way. All these things you can customize it using this command, and many a times you need this basically scrolling text. And here we are creating the video. We are not modifying the video. We are basically creating the video from raw text, and we have this file.txt right here, and this actually it is creating this scrolling text right here. So now let me explain you the command, guys. You should have already FFmpeg installed in your computer, guys. Just go to ffmpeg-org. This is actually a cross-platform solution to record, convert, and stream audio and video. You need to have this software installed. So once you have installed, you can cross-check by typing here FFmpeg, and then the command will run here. So after that, you just need to here execute this command. Let me show you and explain you the command first of all, what this command is all about. So let me just write this command step by step so that you understand it. Let me just pin this comment here and then explain to you. So the very first thing we will just do this like this. FFmpeg, you just need to write, this is the name of the software command line utility, and then dash f. Dash f, basically here we are applying a filter. The name of the filter will be LAVFI. This is the name of the filter that we are applying, and then we are providing dash I, which is the actual input. So here the color of the background color will be in this way. You can provide color is equal to C is equal to black. Here you can just provide any color of your choice. You can even provide white color as well. Let me put white here, and then put a colon, S is equal to, and here you will actually provide your resolution. It can be either full HD, or anything, any resolution you can provide. I will provide full HD, which is 1920 by 180. This is the actual resolution that we are providing. And then D is equal to, so this will actually equal to the number of seconds that you want to generate inside the video. Let's suppose you want to generate a 10-second video. You will simply type here 10. So this will actually generate a 10-second video for you from raw text. And then we will actually write the dash filter complex, dash filter underscore complex. This you just need to write here to actually provide a filter. And after that, we have our dash f inside this curly, this is double quotes. We have the square brackets, which is 0, and then we just need to write here split and we will be generating it from raw txt file. So here you just need to provide the extension of the file. In this case it is txt. So and then ORIG, and then we put a semicolon, again we put .txt, and here we are actually using the draw text filter, guys, to actually draw the text inside the video, draw some plain text inside video. We are actually using the draw text filter inside FFmpeg, and this filter takes actually the actual font file that you want to use. If you want to use custom font, here you will actually provide the full path. Tahoma, I am using this custom font which is tahoma.ttf file. After that you just need to provide colon and then provide the font size. Font size is equal to 40. You can control the font size as well by using this property, and then you can control the color of the font, which is font color property. And here we are actually providing black color, so the text color will be black. So you can change the background color, text color, font size, font color, all the things you can customize it using these properties that I showed you. After that we put colon, x is equal to, and here we calculate the x position. So x position will be dynamic, which is width minus text underscore w. And here we are actually using some math here, guys. Basically we are basically, this is the w parameter, which is the width of the video. So this basically FFmpeg automatically according to the video calculate, and then the text width. So whatever text that you write, it will basically minus from the width of the video, and then we just need to divide it by 2 and add it 20. This is the formula for the x coordinate, and then we calculate the y coordinate, which is the height of the video minus 40, and then we simply multiply this by t parameter, the full time of the video, and then we multiply it by the speed. So here you can provide the speed here. Let's suppose I want to multiply it by 4. So this will be the actual y coordinate, which will be controlling the speed of the text, which will be appearing from the bottom position to the top position. So this is a speed parameter, guys. If you want to build a dynamic application, you will replace the speed parameter here. So we are actually replacing here 4. We are multiplying it by 4, and then again colon. And here you actually need to provide your text file, guys, from whichever file you want to actually generate the text inside the video. So we have created a file called as file.txt. So we are actually providing that. And then the other property, guys, which is the border color. If you also want to provide the border color, we can even provide that also. If you want a border across the text, you can provide a different color. Let's suppose I provide here yellow. So a border color will also be there. And you can also provide your border width as well, which I will provide it as 2. That's all. So this will actually add the border to whatever text which will be there in the video. So we will provide the txt to whole text like this, put a semicolon, and then ORIG, and after that we will say crop is equal to IW colon 50 colon 0 0. This is little bit difficult, but you just need to copy this command, 50 colon 50 colon 0, and ORIG colon txt colon ORIG, and we just need to provide overlay here because we are actually overlaying the text inside the video. Just put double quotes here. This is the actual filter that we are applying, guys. This constitutes all the filter that we done right here in the dash filter underscore complex. So if you want to apply a complex filter in the video, guys, you apply it using dash filter underscore complex in FFmpeg. This is actually the filter in double quotes that you see right here. All the properties that we are defining right here: font file, font size, the color of the font, the x coordinate, y coordinate, the border color. All these things we are actually providing it inside this dash filter complex command. And then we just need to provide our encoder, which is dash underscore v. And in this case we can provide our own, which is nvnc. I am using NVIDIA GPU, so I will actually provide my GPU. I will use the GPU for processing the video, which will be fast, NVNC. So if you don't have a GPU, you can just write here libx264. It will actually use your CPU for the processing. But I will be using our uh, NVIDIA GPU, and for that we just need to h264 underscore NVNC and then -y, and you can also provide a preset here if you want a faster processing. You can simply write here ultra fast, and then the output file name, let me say scrolling.mp4. This is the actual command, guys, and if you see, you just need to just transfer it to the same line. So just make sure that you do this in the same line, because multi-line is not allowed in the command line. So just make sure that you do it in the single line. So like this. We have this command ready, guys. Now we can actually execute this command. So just copy this command here and try to paste it in the like this. Okay, I think some error is there. Let me just. So what you can do, guys, here basically you can use a tool called as multi-line to single line converter. This is the actual command here. I have also given this command in the description. We will see. Copy this command, and what I can do is that I can change our okay, this is actual command. If I copy this command, so it is doing this processing, and the command is video is generated, if you see. So now I can do some modifications inside this if you want to. Let's suppose I add some more entries right here. This is basically the text right here. We created a simple file.txt, if you see. So it is taking the data from this. Let me add some more plates right here. Let's suppose uh, so we have added the 11 plates, guys, and now let me also modify this. Let me change the color of the video to black and the background to be white video background. So here you can just modify this. Color is white, and copy this command right here and paste it. So now if you see, basically the color of the background color of will be white, and you will see that this is actual. Okay, I think we just need to save this. I haven't saved this, or so we are actually providing it. So let me change the file name to scrolling.txt. Let me take scrolling.txt and paste scrolling.txt. This is just paste the text right here. Why it is not taking the other data? Because let me see guys, just wait. Let me see if we have saved it or not. Yeah, we have saved it. Let me just change the total length of the video to, let's suppose, make it to 15 second, and the speed of the text appearing, let me change this factor to 6 or 2, just make it 2. So now the text will be appearing in a slow fashion, and total length of the video has been increased to 15 second. You will see that. But why it hasn't taken the data? If you see, we have defined a total of 11 players, but why it is not taking the full? So now to solve this problem guys, you can actually use chat GPT and basically use a prompt. I have this data in this file.txt and I am using this FFMPEG command, but it only outputs till 6 in the video. Why it is not outputting the full data? Let me paste the command also. So just make sure that you do this, and it will, hopefully it will tell the reason. It seems like your FFmpeg command is correctly creating a video from the text file, but it's stopping at, because the text overlay filter you are using might not be able to handle long text files properly. To fix this, you can modify. Okay, let me, in this modified command, I have replaced text file with text file file.txt, assuming that your text file containing the team list is name. The name of the file was scrolling.txt. So let me just delete this all this and try to execute this command. So nothing is there. Let me see guys what is the actual problem. I defined this. File.txt and copy this. Let me delete something here and just check if it is working. very odd, guys, because it is running up till 6 and it is not printing out the full thing. You will see that if I execute this. So what I will do, guys, basically I will choose a different directory. Let me choose this my own directory, and let me create a directory called as video generator and cd into this, and here I will simply create a file.txt. This is sample text, and here we will actually execute that command. So you can see scrolling.mp4. Let me see. So you can see that this is sample text. So I think that was just a problem of that. I don't know what was there. Now let me paste the same text right here. Copy and paste it. It should work because no reason why it shouldn't work. So if I execute the same command, so you can see that, guys, it is now appearing for all the 11 players. So I think it was just an error just because of very odd error. And now you can see all the 11 players are appearing, and you can do it for unlimited text. If you have a very long text, let's suppose you have an ebook that you want to convert this into a video, you can basically have a PDF text. You can even just say if you have a sample PDF file which you want to convert this into a video. It can be anything. It can be an ebook as well. Let's suppose this much we need to convert this. So what I will do, we can say book.txt and simply paste it. So what should happen here, basically, this command here, you just need to replace book.txt. I will also make a tool for this, guys, dynamic tool, which I will deploy this on freemediatools.com very soon, and I will change the color to black, and I will change it the font color to yellow. So now you will see that. So it will actually, you just need to align the text properly just to make sure that you have, whenever you write the text in the text file, just align it properly so that in the video it should appear properly. So this is the actual effect, guys, scrolling effect, that is from bottom to top. You can even make it, I think, from top to bottom as well. So I think if I give this command to FFMPEG and just make sure that this command do this from bottom to top, I want the effect for top to bottom. Just modify this and paste the command. So it will automatically give you the command which will actually animate the text from top to bottom. So if you want the text to appear from top to bottom, you can even do that. So this is actually the command which is from top to bottom. I will create a new command which is here, top to bottom dot txt, paste it. So this is the actual command, and now inside this command we basically need to give it our file name, which will be file.txt. So I will simply paste this command here. So now this will create a video where the text will appear from the top. You will see that. So in this way, you will actually create the text will go from top to bottom. So in this way, guys, you can do this process, and I will attach all the commands in the description of the video where you can actually purchase them. I will basically make an ebook in the description of the video where you will actually contain all these advanced commands. If you want it, you can purchase it. And thank you very much for watching this live stream, and I will be seeing you in the next one.